Hello everyone, in the last video we have learned about directives. In this video we are going to learn about structural directive. Structural directives nothing but modify the structure of a DOM by adding and removing DOM elements. We can say that basically it can work on the structure of a DOM. Angular provide several structural directives. First one is ngIf, second one is ngFor, and third one is ngSwitch. In this video we are going to learn ngIf. ngIf, there are a lot of conditions when we need to display data on the basis of certain condition. So let's start. First open that app component.html. So how we can write that ngIf, just make a div ngIf. So in that element I am going to write that star ng and if. If it's a true, then it will be display the data. First run ng serve dash open. Now here you can see that there is a data came. Once the condition is true, then it's displaying that, and it's adding into the DOM element. Now if we'll make that this one, it will make it false, then you can see that it's removed from the DOM also. We'll check with a variable also. Just open that app component.ts. Here we'll create one variable that is display. Make it a boolean equal to true. Now if we will add here that, so same like it will work, because this is display is that true. So just open that one. Now you can see that it's added into the DOM element. Now if we'll make it say false, just go and this one write a false and save it. Just open the browser. Now you can see that it's removed from that DOM element. Now after that ngIf will check with else statement also. So how we'll do with else statement? Open the app component.html. Just right here. One is that ng template. ng template is an Angular element used to render HTML element. If here that is if here in the ngIf that all those structured directive we are using that prefix of, that prefix is that asterisk. So asterisk, that shorthand meaning is that ng template only. So here that I am using that ng template. So we can write like here. This one is a ng as demonstration. Okay. So what you have to write here? If it's a true, then it will be display like display this ngIf demonstration. Another way will display that else block. So this else block is here. That is a reference variable. Okay. For now, that is display value is here. It's saying that its display is false. So it means like that this one is going to be display that ng else demonstration. Just open the browser. Yeah, see here is ng else demonstration is displaying that. If I will change this is displayed boolean to true and save it. Now it will display ngIf demonstration. Whenever Angular encounters with that asterisk symbol, we are informing Angular saying that it is a structural directive, and Angular will convert directive attributes to ng template element. So basically this asterisk means only is ng template. Now one more thing we can do, this one will write, or one more tab will go and write as then block, then block. Okay, so what we have to change here, just here, if we are not going to write this thing here, then block, this one will be, we can write ng then demonstration. One is that if ng is true, then what will they will display, then block, then semicolon, else block. Just save it, open the browser. Now you can see here it's displaying the ng then demonstration. Okay, because that is display is here is true. If you make it a false, then else block will be displayed, means this data will be displayed. Yes, now ng else is demonstration. Now we are going to learn that ngFor directive. Open the app component.ts. Here we are going to write that array, just like array list. Then it will be the string array, and then we are going to add some dummy data like apple, desktop, laptop. Okay. So this data I want to display with the help of ngFor directive. So how will display? Take ngFor so here we'll write that ul li and write that asterisk ngFor, the let keyword, that item of that name. This array list is being from here. Okay, now we are going to use that interpolation, that will be the item. Let's save it. Now look, all the data is displaying that. Okay, the ngFor directive is used for render a list of objects. So here I have demonstrated that one, the list of your string, that one, the data, and we are displaying here. In the next video we will learn that ng switch. I hope it's clear. Thanks for watching.